At Shockwave Roofing, we take pride in delivering dependable roofing services backed by quality workmanship and attention to detail. If you're searching for Shockwave Roofing in Tillsonburg, Ontario, we provide trusted services tailored to the needs of local homeowners. Your roof plays a critical role in protecting your home from wind, rain, and seasonal wear. That's why we take a thorough approach to inspections and ensure every issue is properly addressed. We offer a full range of roofing services, including repairs, maintenance, and replacements. Our team uses reliable materials and proven installation techniques to deliver durable results. We focus on quality at every step to ensure your roof stands the test of time. We also understand that roofing issues can be stressful and unexpected. That's why we provide prompt professional service to restore safety and peace of mind as quickly as possible. Call 226-977-1132 or visit shockwave-roofing.ca/areas-served-2/Tillsonburg-Ontario. Shockwave Roofing, strong roofs, reliable service, and protection you can trust.